All right, I said I didn't leave a mark on her. We might have just gotten one. Actually, she didn't. That's amazing. We used to call this a cross. Now, do you see that restriction showing up again here? We used to call this cross fiber because, whoa, we were always moving across the erectors. I don't call it that anymore because in this I'm going with the fiber. I don't know, do you guys see the popping going on in her shoulder while we're doing this? I feel like you've got bubble pack in there or something.
So wait till you feel that bubble pack feeling. Just keep, I mean, it seems like if you keep going after it, it does go away.
Does, yeah. Is it a bubble pack with air in there? Are there gases caught between the fascia? Is it fluid? Is it solid? What is it? You know, is it crystallized? Each person is so different.
Like, how about a very super tight
Nice.
IT band?
That's usually fused. Yeah.
That's fused.
Fascial adhesions, yeah.
Okay.
All right, so we did the gliding, we did the suction and release. We did vibration, we did shaking, and I got a lot of suction on her now. We also did our rolling rotation. Let's do this one up here for fun. Wow. Wow, this is interesting. She just keeps popping off. Yeah, you can even see a restriction here now. You guys see it? Interesting. And the twisting, love that one. That's for scar work. The twisting is awesome. Scooping we did. And what are the ones I'm missing?
The longer ones for the sensitive people.
In your notes, is there one I've missed? There is one, I know it. What was that? Parking. Thank you. Anything else I missed? Reverse friction. Yay. All right, I got to go to my smaller cups then. Reverse friction. Remember you learned friction in school. With that, we're going to do it with a cup. So you've got to use a small cup to do this. If you go in with a big cup, you're not doing reverse friction. So you're coming up, you're coming straight up, doing your movement. And on her, again, you can see her bra restriction under here. This is amazing. She's such a great demo.